Welcome to this lecture. And this lecture we will be studied about the basic syntax of the Python programming or our first Python program. The Python language has many similarities to Perl, C and the Java. However, there are some definite differences between the language. So now let's see how to code in the Python. Now we just go to the Python software. So I just click on the Python or search on the Python 3.6. So here Python is very simple language. You don't use the libraries, include files and the namespaces file in the Python. So just open your IDE or your Python software and start the code. So I just click on, I just write here is a print, and here I just write hello Python. Okay, and then closes tag and closes bracket. So you can see it's directly showing the output of this code. Now here you can see I just add a is equal to 10 and then b is equal to 20. A is equal to 10 and then b is equal to 20, and the c I just make a logic here, c is equal to a plus b and then print c. Okay, so you can see the output of this code. So without that Python IDE, so you can go to the notepad or simply write this code in notepad. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 30 and c is equal to a plus b and then print c here. Okay, now I just save this file in the desktop and here I just give it the file extension. So file.py, Python means py means the Python extension. So now I just open my command prompt, means cmd, and here I just add cd desktop, and after the cd desktop I just search Python and then file.py. So you can see the output of this code, means 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. So it's also gave you the output of this result. After that you can use the Python shell IDE for the graphical user interface. We just use this Python shell later in our tutorials. So this is the first code and Python syntax. So thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.